Okay, so I'm almost done this book, Rooted and Grounded in Love by A. Enoch. And I wanted to go back and share this small excerpt from this chapter, Celestial Sovereignty. I believe I shared the part of our celestial calling, which we have in Christ. But we are rich beyond our wildest imaginations. We can't even fathom it as human beings in this mortality. What is to come? We are blessed with every spiritual blessing. So it is the spiritual wealth that we have in Christ that counts. And that is our celestial wealth, the spiritual wealth that God gives us in understanding and realization of God's operation in his universe and what he is doing with mankind and what he is doing with his whole creation. This is wealth beyond what we could even think of. The scriptures come alive and give us a little glimmer in the book of Ephesians, Philippians, and Colossians of our high standing in Christ and our place, which will be celestial among the vast celestial regions that we will be attending and bringing Christ to these beings that are much more powerful than human beings, and they're spiritual beings, and they need reconciling back to God. So I'm going to share this little part here, but first I'm going to show you, I ordered another book, Select Writings by John Essex. He is a tremendous writer. I love his writings. I always have for a long time now, like over 20 years. I've been reading his material and going through what God has blessed him with to share with us through these writings. So I will share some of this as well. I guess there's a lot of fire trucks and ambulances going now. But yeah, I just ordered that's a small book, but it's well worth it. And it says volume 1, so I think there's a volume 2 as well. But being that I'm almost done this book, I needed another book to read. So, our celestial wealth. In the present day, wealth is measured by legal possession. In reality, we have only what we enjoy or can donate to the enjoyment of others. In both ways, we are supremely supplied. The height of human avarice seeks to own the earth. But if we should succeed in making all here ours, we would be very poor indeed compared with the illimitable possessions of the celestial realms. In Christ, all this is ours. All is ours to use and to enjoy in him. But this is but a tiny fraction of our wealth. Mere material possessions do not satisfy the spirit. It is the prestige that wealth gives and the place that it provides in human society, the associations to which it leads, which are our true glory. Our glorious riches not only give us entrance into the presence of God himself, but to the highest and most exclusive social set in the universe, the society of his saints, who are the ruling aristocracy of the Aeonian times. Our wealth was not tainted in the getting, nor will it be a curse to us in the withholding. It was gained in glory and will be given in greater and grander glory. We will have limitless stores of that spiritual sort, which increases with its dispensation. Our wealth will not impoverish creation. We will enrich all to whom we are sent. The knowledge of God's grace, which is our most precious deposit, will add to the wealth of every creature in the universe.